The HSA 94 is a high-performance cordless hedge trimmer in the AP system. It's STIHL's most powerful cordless hedge trimmer and designed for professional grounds maintenance work. The HSA 94 has a constant stroke rate, even when working under load, and a powerful EC motor. It has a rotating multifunctional handle, so you can cut freely and easily. The handle also has a control unit, so you can cut at 3 different speed settings. The hedge trimmer has a connecting cable socket for the STIHL AP System battery. For longer working times, you can use an ARL backpack battery, or for a lower weight on your body, you can use an AP battery, holster and battery belt. The HSA 94 has a low-profile magnesium gearbox cover to smoothly pass over the area you're cutting. It also has a low weight and great balance, making it the ideal choice for professionals when working for longer hours throughout the day. The hedge trimmer has a double-sided cutting blade, cut protection and a tip protector to avoid damage to the blades when cutting close to walls or the ground. It also features a recess for STIHL Connected 2A. The Smart Connector 2A is available separately and works with the STIHL Connected app and STIHL Connected portal to help you monitor machine usage data as part of your fleet management. This new connector has real-time data capture, so you know when and how long the tool was used for, and the LED gives you a status of a tool so you can see when maintenance is due, or press the button to mark the tool as requiring maintenance. There are 2 versions of the HSA 94. First is the HSA 94R, which is designed for cutting larger, thicker and overgrown hedges. It has a stroke rate of 3,200 RPM and a lower blade speed, which is adjustable in 3 steps for powerful cuts. The cutter bar is the same as the HS82 RCE, with cutter tooth spacing of 38mm. And then there's the HSA 94T, which is designed for finer topiary such as box, privet and U-trimming jobs. It has a higher blade speed than the R version and a stroke rate of up to 5,000 RPM for precise and accurate cuts. The cutter bar is the same as the HS82T with cutter tooth spacing of 30mm. This leaves a finer finish on ornamental hedges. Both the HSA 94R and 94T are available with 60cm, 24-inch or 70cm, 30-inch cutter bars. Find out more at stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.